Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to add a product link to your video using YouTube Shopping. Okay, so here I am on my dashboard on YouTube, and all I had to do is go over to the left hand side, go under content. This is where you're going to see all your videos, your shorts, live streams, everything like that. And you're going to find the video that you're trying to add a product to. So right here is one of my videos I'm trying to add a product to. Just hover over it and click on the pencil icon. So I'll click there. And then this is where you'll see like the title, description, tags, everything like that. So after you go under your description, at the very bottom, you'll see a button that says products. So click on products, and then you'll see that there are no tag products currently. Click on this pencil icon right here. And then at the top, you're going to be able to search for a product. So for this video, I was talking about Flaming Hot Cheetos. It actually is showing up as a search suggestion. So I'm going to click on Flaming Hot Cheetos. And then from here, you'll see a bunch of different sellers that's offering commission. So you see the top one is 10% commission, but this isn't the Flaming Hot Cheetos I'm talking about in the video. You also want to make sure that your product actually shows up in your video. So I'm going to be looking for Flaming Hot Cheetos, the party size bag, and right here is where I'm finding my first one. So this is sold on Target. It is being sold for $6.69 and is offering a 2% commission. So I'm going to hover over to the right side here, click on this plus icon, which is tag, and you'll see that I have one tag product right here. Okay. So after that, you could scroll through and see other options if some of them might have better commissions, and just add it by clicking the plus icon. But for now, I'm just going to keep on this one tag product. I'm going to click on next, and now you get to place your item onto your video. So right now, YouTube isn't letting you do it in the first 30 seconds, so you're gonna have to click after the first 30 seconds. So I'm selecting like 31 seconds, and then I'm gonna click on add timestamp. So as you can see, now Flaming Hot Cheeto, the product will show up at this point from 30 seconds to a minute and 30 seconds. So it's gonna be on the screen for a whole minute. And then what I had to do is click on done, and then I'm going to hover over to the top and save. Okay, and I do believe it should just update pretty quickly. So I'm just going to mute myself right there. Go over to the 30-second mark. Okay, well, this video is currently private, so maybe that's why it's not showing up yet, but that in a nutshell is how you add product to your videos. And you can see under the description, it is added right there as well. Just make sure I wasn't covering myself on with my webcam. But yeah, that is how you tag a product on your YouTube video using YouTube Shopping. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. And quick side note, you do have to be a part of the YouTube partnership program to have access to this feature. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.